we'll guide you through how to create a Dockerfile in VS Code. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, you will need to open Visual Studio Code on your computer to get started. Once it is open, navigate to the Extensions panel by pressing the Ctrl, Shift, and X keys on your keyboard at the same time. In the search bar that appears at the top of the panel, type in the word Docker to find the necessary tools. Look for the official Docker extension published by Microsoft in the search results and click the Install button to add it to your editor. After the installation is complete, bring up your project folder by going to the File menu and selecting the Open Folder option. With your project open, press the Ctrl, Shift, and P keys together to bring up the command palette at the top of the screen. In this palette, slowly type out the phrase "Add Dockerfiles to Workspace." Hit the Enter key to run this helpful command. You will then be prompted to select the specific application type you are building. You need to choose the appropriate target port that your application will use to communicate. After you make your selection, simply wait a moment and let Visual Studio Code automatically generate the main Docker file for you. It will also take care of generating the .docker𝗟𝗏 file in the background, so you do not have to write it from scratch yourself. Take a little bit of time to review these newly generated Docker configuration files to ensure everything looks correct for your specific project needs. Make sure to save all of these generated files by pressing the Ctrl and S keys together. Now, open up an integrated terminal right inside your current project directory. Before moving forward, double-check to ensure that the Docker desktop application is fully installed and currently running on your machine. Finally, you are ready to build your image by typing the command docker build, followed by a space, -t, another space, my -app, a space, and a dot into the terminal, and then hitting enter.